Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into something that's, well, kind of a secret key to unlocking AI. It's surprisingly simple. How you talk to it changes everything.
Okay, so you've probably seen this, right? You ask an AI for, say, some travel ideas, and what you get back is, this dry Wikipedia-style description. I mean, sure, it's correct, but it's totally useless. But then you change your request just a little bit, and bam, you get this amazing, family-friendly blog post, perfectly written, even optimized for search. The difference is just it's night and day.
So what is that magic ingredient? What's the secret sauce that takes you from that junk on the left to the amazing result on the right?
It all comes down to this thing called prompt engineering. And really, it's just a fancy term for the art of giving really good instructions to an AI. Like we just saw, getting good at this is the absolute key to turning those boring, generic answers into something that's actually useful and perfectly tailored to what you need.
But wait, why do our instructions matter so much all of a sudden? To really get that, we got to take a quick trip back in time. Because the idea of AI isn't new. It's been around for decades. But the technology itself, it's completely different now. We're way past the point where only super smart programmers could talk to a computer.
So the story of AI really kicks off back in the 1950s with guys like Alan Turing. But after that initial buzz, things kind of froze. For almost 50 years, not much happened. It was called the AI winter. Then, in 1997, we got this huge moment. IBM's Deep Blue computer beat the world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Big news. But the real game changer, the thing that led us to where we are today, didn't happen until the 2010s. And that was the rise of something called neural networks.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, that chess computer, Deep Blue, is that basically the same thing as the AI we use now like ChatGPT?
Oh, not even close. The difference is absolutely massive. Think of it this way. The old AI, Deep Blue, that was just a giant, super fast calculator. It was all about raw power, following a set of programmed rules at lightning speed. Today's AI, it's a whole different beast. It's built to learn and to create, and it does that by trying to copy the human brain.
And that was the big aha moment. The developers basically stopped and asked, instead of just building faster and faster calculators, what if we tried to copy the best learning machine that already exists? What if we could actually mimic the human brain? And that's what led to neural networks. Here's the key thing to understand about them. They learn by looking at massive, and I mean massive, amounts of data and finding patterns. So when you ask it something, it's not just doing a Google search. It's not just pulling a file from a folder. It's actually generating a brand new response, word by word, based on all the patterns it's learned. It's literally creating something new.
And this right here is the fundamental shift in how we interact with this technology. We're not programming a machine with strict lines of code anymore. We are communicating with a kind of mind, one that can learn, understand, and even create.
So let's put it all together. Step 1, you give it some instructions. That's your prompt. Step 2, the AI uses that brain-like network to figure out what you want and starts creating. So it just makes sense, right? Step 3, the better your instructions are, the better its creation is going to be. It's like you're guiding a creative partner, not just typing a search into a database.
And that leaves us with a pretty wild final thought. We're building these systems that are learning to think in ways that are totally new, maybe even a little alien to us. So the real question isn't just, what can AI do for us? The question is about us. If we want to unlock its full potential, what new language do we have to learn to speak?